Okay, welcome back. It's Wednesday, 16th of April, 6:40 UK time. So, BTCUSDT, what's been happening since we last was on the charts? We're currently on the 4-hour, and it seems that the rising wedge that we were looking at did break down out of the pattern, came and retested at the top of our larger pattern of the falling wedge, which is drawn on the day time frame, as you can see, and it seems to have done the retest and is heading down. Has not quite yet passed 50% of our measured move that we had, but it still is looking like it's on its way down. On the RSI, we have a clear crossover the yellow line, which is the average of the RSI readings. So we could say that this is looking like more downside possibly. Now, the reason saying this is because if we look at, we had this breakout, as we said, then we had a clean retest, and I want to make you aware of something here. Notice how this candle wick here, this position here at 1 p.m. yesterday, 15th, broke just above this trend line and then pulled out. This is what we call the fake out. People be setting stop losses on this trend line or just above this trend line. So the price is pumped up, hits people's stop losses and breaks you back into the pattern. So this is, you'll see this quite common on Bitcoin, BTC USDT. Now, on a smaller time frame, if we go to the 1 hour, we can see a little bit more detail as to what seems to be happening. So these yellow lines are trend lines that we've drawn for the smaller time frames, for the 1 hour and 15-minute and stuff like that. As you can see, it's broken below this trend. What we want to really see is it break below this, and then it would likely have reached our measured move, and we'll be seeing what happens from that point onwards. If we just come out and look at the daytime frame, excuse my voice, I've absolutely lost my voice due to illness, but looking on the daytime frame, let's open this out. In fact, let me just open the screen a bit more like that. We've printed our first red candle for the last 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first red candle. We are looking, if it's heading on the downside, we are looking at a possible retest on this bottom trend line, which brings us down to 72. And also this purple area, as we've mentioned in previous videos, is a very strong buying and selling area. So it's very likely that we could see another bounce to the upside, but who knows? This is Bitcoin and anything goes. Thank you for watching. We'll be keeping you updated on what's happening over the next day or so. Thank you for watching. Take care.